next story is a coronavirus stock called Moderna. Moderna advances the coronavirus vaccine candidate into the clinic. They are moving hot and heavy in trying to get a cure for the coronavirus. How about this? The FDA has signed off in Moderna's, there's their drug mRNA 1273, its vaccine candidate against SARS and CoV-2, the coronavirus causing the current outbreak. The first batch of this product has been shipped to and received by the NIH for use in phase 1 study. They are moving quickly and trying to come up with a cure for the coronavirus. So let's go take a look at it real quick. Let's go back to the watch list. Let's go find it. mRNA. Did I not put it in here? Dang it, Joey. I didn't put it in here. Oh, you know why I didn't put it in here? Because we have a watch list specifically for the coronavirus. Let's go over. Let's go look at our coronavirus stocks. So you guys are privy to a list that I've created for you guys of coronavirus stocks. Let's go see if we can find mRNA 27. It's in here. Joey broke my list. It's all Joey's fault. Let's go add it. It should have been in here. mRNA. There it is. Now we're going to put it in there. I thought it was already one of them, but nonetheless, there it is. Moderna. All right, let's analyze it real quick. Notice that a lot of these biopharmaceutical stocks are going to be in the same class of being way overvalued because they draw a lot of money into looking at drugs. And a lot of them have negative earnings rates as well because all of the money is put into research and development. And then a lot of times once it gets to the FDA, they don't get approved and they got to start all over again. That's wasted money. So I just want to keep that in mind for you. Moderna, though, grossly overvalued, does not have good upside potential. It is not a safe stock, but what's moving it right now because of the coronavirus scare, it is in an uptrend right now. All right, it is a hold recommendations and they're growing their earnings in a negative rate. So I'm going to show you a couple of things here from the coronavirus stocks. All right, if I'm looking for the safest coronavirus stocks, I have 28 stocks in this list. All right, I've created that for you by just going out to the internet to find some of the most heavily traded or best stocks for the coronavirus, and all of these people are trying to get into play for coming up for a cure for the coronavirus. But let's say I can take this list of stocks sorted by relative safety. Remember, relative safety looks at the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, but it's also an indicator of risk. If I'm trying to find a coronavirus stock to play from the safety standpoint, Biogen is at the top of the list. Undervalued, good upside potential, safe stocks, just not going up in price right now, but one of the few bio companies that does have positive earnings. AbbVie, another one, nicely undervalued, good upside potential, good safety, and is moving up in price. So I can take this list of coronavirus stocks, put into your hands some of the safest stocks to take advantage of from the coronavirus scenario. How about if I want to be a little bit more aggressive with these, I can sort by RT. So the stocks that are in this list that are going up the most. How many of you watched the hot stock panel yesterday? Steve came up with INO. How about it's up 21% today? And this is one of the fastest stocks in this list of coronavirus stocks. This is the only place you get this kind of information, and being able to force rank this one watch list of stocks different ways to find out which is the best way to go. So the biggest thing about INO is that it's the fastest moving stock. The fundamentals behind it are not there, but if you're more of an aggressive player, man, that stock is moving. How about Xair? Also moving up today, up about 3%. How about I want to take it a step further? Let's go look through this list and say, you know something, I only want to find the stocks that are going up the most today. I can sort by percent price change. Codex is up, INO, NVAX, VXRT. Look at these stocks up double digits today and today alone. So now, as a more aggressive day trader, I can jump on these stocks, make the money, get out, and do it all over again the next day. But coronavirus stocks are a good way to try to make some money in the market, even though coronavirus is not a good thing. All right? How can you get this watch list? Take a picture of it while you're here right now. You got to take a screenshot because I don't have it to send out to everybody. Badger, if you want to type in the room how to show them how to take a screenshot, by all means do so. Here's the top few right now, and I'll go down from CERS. You can take another screenshot. That should give you a screenshot of all 28 stocks that are in here. I'll do it one more time. All right. Get an opportunity to take a screenshot of these stocks, and if you're a subscriber to the software, take these stocks, put them into a watch list. All right. And I think INO paid for VectorVest for the year for me, says Jake. Way to go. Way to go. All right, but you can get what? What did you say? Jay say, hey, Glenn, can you remove your big head, please? Wow. All right, hold on. Let me.
Move back up where you're supposed to be.
No, I'm going to. So Joey is going to do it. Wow, did you really say that, Jay? Holy smokes. Wow, and Charles didn't say it as nastily as you did. There you go. Joey took me off the screen so that you can take the shot. All right, hopefully everybody took the shot. All right, don't take me off again. And I'm going to scroll down to the rest of it. There you go. Take your shot again. And Joey has me off. There you go. Thank you, Badger. Use the Microsoft snipping tool. And B says, pretty as it is. No, Jay said, move my big head out of the way. Wow, Jay. I know, Matthew, I hear that. That Jay was just brutal. That was brutal. That was brutal. And Claude, Joey says thank you. Claude says thank you to Joey. So there you go. You guys should have taken 2 screenshots. You should have all of the stocks now that you can make your own watch list. Thank you for that, Joey. All right. So you're welcome. That's cold. I know that was cold. All right. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.